All right, here we are at 1943 STRATHAVEN Road here in Winter Park, Florida, 32792. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, completely renovated in 2018. Really nice neighborhood. Winter Park High School, straight down this road, the back gate in there as well. So as you can see when we walk in, very nice entryway. Love the blue paint on the top, very traditional and southern. Again, this home went through a full renovation in 2018. Very high lofted ceilings. You've got beautiful wood flooring all throughout that has that little bit of weathered whitewash look to it. And it's also just a very impressive walk-up that you have right here. Nice and spacious, doesn't feel tight at all. Kitchen opens out over here to your coffee bar, wine, drink refrigerator. Goes into the kitchen, which we'll get into, but just showing you how nice and high all these ceilings are. Here is the kitchen. Really well, smart, laid out cabinets for your pantry and storage that go all throughout. Looks to be a quartz countertop with GE Cafe appliances. You got a profile hood over the top of it. Here's your microwave and oven. And here's your sink looking out towards the left side of the home. Flip around. This takes us into the laundry room. And over to your 2-car garage. You should be able to get 2 cars in here. Obviously, the length is a little bit shorter here, but I think you'd be able to get 2 cars in. You can see the CPVC plumbing, newer water heater as well. We'll actually go down this hallway first before going into the master. Again, nice large hallways, very comfortable feeling in here. Not something you see very often here in the Winter Park area. We've got a little half bath here for guests with the plantation shutters. Here's your HVAC with a UV light in it. It's dated, looks 2017. Let me see. October 2017 carrier unit. You got nice crown molding. You've also got the nice trim throughout the home. All right, so bedroom number 1. And they're currently using as an office. Nice closet space. You head back into bedroom number 2. You have plantation shutters everywhere, beautiful flooring, nice large walk-in closet. Go to bedroom number 3. And here is your bathroom for these 3 bedrooms on this side. Pretty standard shower. Not a lot of updates on this one, but you can see. Go back outside into the living room. Closer, you got this beautiful dining room space here to your left. And you go into your master bedroom. French doors that lead you to the outside. Again, nice high ceilings. Kind of walk you over here a little bit. Show you this side of it. You have 2 barn doors that lead you into the master bath. Really nice transition from the wood floors to the tile. Obviously your bathroom, toilet. Nice little walk-in closet. Here's a light switch. It's a good space in here. And a nice rainfall shower. Nice step down. I believe this is a linen closet right back here. Oh, another walk-in closet. That's nice. So you've got a kind of a his and hers in here as well. I'll go back and see the back side of the house. So nice large backyard, covered porch. Nice paver. That word didn't come out quickly enough. So here's your backyard. City Winter Park is going through and putting these power lines underground. So that process is coming through the neighborhood. But very good, decent size. You could absolutely put a pool in back here. They did have a couple companies come out when she first bought the home or did the renovations. But there you have it for 1943 Strathaven Road here in Winter Park, Florida.